Hello, listeners. Welcome to the Siam Center Law Group podcast. Today, we'll be discussing the law surrounding the arrest of children and juveniles. The arrest of children and juveniles follows procedures and processes that differ from those for adults due to the strict protection of the rights of children and juveniles. This is outlined in the Juvenile and Family Court Act, as well as the procedures for juvenile and family court proceedings, which emphasize ensuring that the arrest and detention process follows clear legal principles to prevent violations of the rights of the arrested individuals. When a child or juvenile is arrested, they must be brought before a court for review within 24 hours to determine whether the arrest was justified and whether their detention is in accordance with the law. If they are not brought before the court within the specified time, it will be considered a violation of their rights, and it may result in the case being dismissed. An arrest without a warrant can only be made in cases of a flagrant offense or when there is a valid reason according to the law. If an arrest occurs without a warrant and without proper justification, it will be considered unlawful, and any evidence obtained from such an arrest will not be admissible in court. When a child or juvenile is arrested, they must be informed of their rights, including the right to legal counsel, the right to notify a guardian, and the right to remain silent if they do not have a lawyer present. Failure to inform them of these rights may render the arrest and questioning procedures unlawful. The use of force during the arrest of a child or juvenile should only occur when absolutely necessary, such as in cases where the child or juvenile poses a danger to others or themselves. Excessive use of force may result in legal liability for the officers involved. If a child or juvenile is arrested unlawfully, such as without a warrant or without valid reason, even if they are treated fairly afterward, the initial unlawful arrest cannot be rectified. This is because the law places great importance on ensuring the arrest process follows the correct procedures from the outset. The arrest and detention of children and juveniles must be conducted with care, always considering their well-being to ensure that the justice process is carried out in the best possible way. An unlawful arrest at the beginning of the process can result in the arrest being deemed illegal, and the officers involved may face legal consequences. Thank you to everyone for tuning in to this episode of the Siam Center Law Group podcast. We look forward to bringing you more legal insights in our next episode.